Hey folks, Mr. Tully. A little product review, which is not something that I do a lot of, but I want to do some more of it, and because there's some products out there that I really believe in that are really good. And I'm going to tell you if I think something's good or if I think it's crap. These are FOR SHO hearing protection, earmuffs. Wear them to the range. Wear them out when you're running heavy equipment. I took a pair out with me when I was working running fertilizer, and that equipment's really freaking loud. 86 decibels? Which may not sound like a lot, but prolonged exposure at 70 decibels can cause hearing damage. So, you know, and my facts and figures might be off. But that's a lot. 34 decibels to knock that off of there, I'm all about that. I can't wear earplugs because I got a goofy ear canal, which really pisses me off. But anyway, I find products like this that have a 34 decibel noise reduction. Now most of these, you know, you buy a pair at Walmart or what have you, they're like 24 to 26 decibel. So these are much better. The electron, you can get close to these. I've seen 32 and 33 decibel, but they were like $100 pair of earmuffs. I'm not going to spend that. So there's that. I'm going to give a pair of these to my son-in-law, who does carpet construction, and you know, those nail guns are loud, believe it or not. So I think you can't go wrong with the FOR SHO hearing protection. They've got colors galore. Let me turn this, I hope. Here's hoping that's all in frame. But you can just see the colors in black and pink and purple, white, army green, coyote brown. I don't know if that's coyote brown or brown. Blue, gray, red. I don't know, teal? Teal is a funky color. But they've got them for kids too, for 3 months to 2 years old. That's something that, you know, people don't even think of that. That when they, you know, if they go to the races and bring your kids with you. I've seen people at the racetrack a lot when I was going to races. They'd have their kids there, no hearing protection. They offer them for those too. And still, under 20 bucks. Well, 20 bucks. They're right at 20 bucks. You can order these earmuffs right on Amazon. Just type in FOR SHO earmuffs and it'll come right up. If Barnall has a code, and I'm going to ask him if I can use that before I go and just say, hey, use this code. But if he says I can use it, I'll put it down in the description. And by all means, use it. It's not a huge discount, but it's a little bit of a discount. So, you know, they run from 20 bucks to $17.50. How can you get any better than that? To get that kind of noise reduction and that kind of comfort, because they are very comfortable. I was wearing them, you know, off and on all day. And when I was down with Barnall, we were wearing them all the time when we were out on the range, you know. So they're comfortable to wear, and I could still hear Barnall most of the time. But he's got kind of an irritating voice anyway. Anyhow, check them out. Go on to Amazon or order them from the FOR SHO FOR SHO website, and that's just proforshow.com. And you can order them right there. So, all that being said, and some of the stuff that I use them for in the video there, you know, go get you some. They're good stuff. They have the Mr.Tolly seal of approval. Stay safe and God bless, and we'll get back with you in another video sooner than later. I have a lot of stuff in the can that I need to get edited up and out. So we'll get her done sooner or later.